Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Mazda CX7. This vehicle has a problem with look at the dashboard. We have check engine. Another thing, when you accelerate like this, there is some delay and hesitation. To me, before we scan this vehicle, the fuel pressure, then ignition coils leakages, those EGR, those are things that can cause this type of behavior. Before we proceed, I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. Mazda is here. Okay, then auto search. Yes, okay, not advanced. 6. So we are starting with a control module. Not equipped. Recorder, redrive, system tooling off, idle. P2177-FF bank one. So I'm going to do some code search. So the Mazda code P2177F means system tooling off idle bank 1, indicating the engine's air fuel mixture has too much air or not enough fuel. The common causes are vacuum leakage, which is cracked or disconnected. Then we have oxygen sensor can affect air to fuel ratio. Fuel sensor sending incorrect data. We have exhaust leaks. We have fuel delivery. We have mass airflow sensor. We have Mazda specifics. So we are going through these things to make sure that we identify or isolate the main fault code. To remove this cover. So we are going to start with the vacuum leakage. So I'm going to make sure if all those hoses are okay. After that, we are going to the fuel pressure. Start with the vacuum. This is the mass airflow sensor. I'm going to check if it's dirty. See, it's clean, so it's not mass airflow sensor. So next is vacuum leakage. The turbo vacuum pipe. So there is a leakage on the turbo vacuum pipe. So this leakage can cause that or can trigger that code. So this is the first symptom. We are going to change the fuel pump this vehicle. So the fuel pump is another suspect. So this is the fuel pump, new fuel pump. This is the old fuel pump. Right now it's a trash, right? Trash. After installing everything, I'm going to clear the code from the system like this. Clear for memory is complete. Okay, let's read the code. The engine off, yes. Okay, no any fault code in the system. So let me try to start the vehicle. Yes, right now the vehicle is working perfect. Acceleration is smooth. See, no hesitation. So there I have seen right now the vehicle is working perfect. Let's go to the cabin to confirm how it runs. See, the engine is working perfect. So right now everything's working perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.